Hey guys, it's Janine. I just wanted to pop on real quick and give you guys an update on what's happening. I'm looking at the house right now. I'm here. It looks like the sod is going in today. They're fixing up some things. They're painting a few things. They painted the garage door. They're fixing some roof tiles, but I didn't see that there was anything wrong with the roof tiles. I'll put some pictures of the house in here so you can see what's happening. They still have to replace the dishwasher. They installed the wrong dishwasher. There's just a lot of little odds and ends things that they're working on. So hopefully that will all get done before Monday. Our walkthrough is on Monday. So I'll keep you guys posted. Have a great day.